Achilles Tendon Rupture. Introduction. The Achilles tendon connects the muscles of the calf to the heel bone. Select true or false. Correct. The Achilles tendon lets the foot move up and down. This movement allows you to walk, run, and jump. The most common symptom of an Achilles tendon rupture is sudden, severe pain above the heel bone. Select true or false. Correct. An Achilles tendon rupture usually causes sudden, severe pain. A loud popping or snapping sound when the injury happens is also common. Achilles tendon ruptures are caused by sudden stress on the Achilles tendon. Select true or false. Correct. Playing sports, tripping, and stepping off a curb are common causes of Achilles tendon ruptures. Achilles tendon rupture is often treated with surgery. Select true or false. Correct. An Achilles tendon rupture is sometimes treated with a cast or boot, but surgery is a common treatment. Which of the following can help prevent an Achilles tendon rupture? Choose one of the following options. 1. Stretching before exercising. 2. Running on even surfaces. 3. Increasing your level of training slowly. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.